So now we have practiced our skill of converting units of time. Now we're going to use them to solve some word problems. So whenever you have a word problem that involves time, what you always need to do is convert everything into the same unit. So in this example, Josh, reads a chapter of his book in 5 minutes and 28 seconds. Tom reads a chapter of his book in 300 seconds. Who reads their chapter the quickest? Now, what makes this difficult is that Josh's time is noted in minutes and Tom's is noted in seconds. So we want to convert them both into the same unit to make it easy for us to solve this problem. So I'm going to focus on this 300 seconds and I'm going to turn that into minutes so I can compare it nicely with Josh's time. Now I know that 60 seconds makes 1 minute. So if I count up in 60s, then hopefully I'll find out how many minutes it took Tom. So 60 seconds is 1 minute, 120 seconds is 2 minutes, 180 seconds is 3 minutes, 240 seconds is 4 minutes, and 300 seconds is 5 minutes. So I'm going to make a note of that. So Tom read his chapter in 5 minutes. I've made the conversion and I've found that out. Okay, now it should be quite easy for me to compare these times. So Josh read his in 5 minutes and 28 seconds. Tom read his in 5 minutes. So who read theirs the quickest? Well, it was Tom, because Tom read his in 5, but Josh took 28 seconds longer to read his. So, like I said, whenever you're solving problems that involve time, you need to convert everything into the same unit. So either everything in seconds, or everything in minutes, or everything in hours, so that you can solve that problem. Another thing I wanted to point out before we move on is this, because you might see it later on in a problem, 3.5 minutes. Well, many people think this means 3 minutes and 50 seconds, but it doesn't. Remember that 0.5 means a half, so it means 3.5 minutes, or 3 minutes, let me write this in, 3 minutes, and then half a minute is 30 seconds, and 30 seconds. So be aware of that when you're dealing with decimals in time. That is out of 60 and not out of 100.